How to use a glossary. A glossary is a unit or course dictionary. The glossary can also be called keywords. You can check the spelling, parts of speech, and definitions online, or print out the glossary. Opening a glossary. Click on the glossary activity in your course. You can drag the scroll bar down and back up to see entries on the screen. Note the location of the letter list and the page number list. These lists will help you to navigate the glossary. The numbers on the page number list will show you how many screens of information are available. Choosing a number will help you to move among the pages. The word "all" in the page number list will put every word on one screen. This makes for a very long screen of information. The letter list will show you entries only for a specific letter of the alphabet. The word "all" at the end of the letter list will display all letters of the alphabet across many pages. Using the letter list is the easiest way to navigate a glossary. To find a word, click on the first letter of the word in the letter list. For example, click on the letter R. You will see every entry for the letter R. To see all of the entries in the whole alphabet again, click on the word "all" in the letter list. Printing a glossary. Click on the glossary activity in your course. Click on the printer icon or words. A print-friendly glossary page appears. Click on the print icon or word to print this page from your computer.